What's up, guys? I'm just down here at Reading Yamaha Sea-Doo. I decided to take a look at these YXZ 1000Rs while I was in getting some parts for the Banshee rebuild. So I'm just doing a little walk around, kind of drooling over these today. This is the first side-by-side that I've really taken interest in. They have the actual manual shift, 6-speed sequential shift with a clutch. So not an automatic like some of the utility vehicles that you've seen in the past. And they come all equipped with this triple cylinder 1000 motor that came out of a Yamaha snowmobile. So there's a lot of aftermarket options for it already available, like turbos and things like that. Pretty awesome little machine though. I'd love to take one for a drive sometime. Not the cheapest toy on the market, but man, look at these things. They're just beautiful. Fox shocks in the back and front from the factory, and I've heard these things with like the Alba exhaust on the back and turbo, and it just sounds amazing out there screaming around. So anyhow, pretty cool looking machine. I wouldn't mind owning one someday. This is the blue one, and yeah, I think if I was going to pick one, I'd probably go with this blue and white one right here.